today's interconnected world, our lives are increasingly lived online. From social media to online shopping, our digital footprints are growing larger by the day. But amidst the convenience, there's a lurking danger: the erosion of our online privacy. Every click, every like, every purchase leaves a trail of data behind. This data, often collected and stored by corporations and governments, paints a detailed picture of who we are, what we do, and what we like. But what happened to this data? Who has access to it? And how is it being used? There are questions that should concern us all. Data breaches are not just headlines. They are real threats to our privacy and security. Personal information, once in the wrong hands, can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and even blackmail. But it's not just external threats we need to worry about. Our own behavior online can expose us to risk. Oversharing on social media, using weak passwords, or falling for phishing scams are just few examples of how we can compromise our own privacy. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are steps we can take to protect our online privacy. By being mindful of what we share, using privacy enhancing tools, and supporting policies that prioritize user privacy, we can reclaim control over our digital lives. Together, we can advocate for stronger privacy regulations, demand transparency for companies, and empower ourselves with knowledge and tools to safeguard our online privacy. Our digital footprint is a reflection of who we are. Let's ensure that it's a true reflection, one that respects our privacy, our dignity, and our rights. Protect your digital footprint. Protect your online privacy.